What's up guys, Spiro Kovac here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $1, $2, $5 or even $10 a day sent directly to a PayPal account right now, right away. Before we go to the content, I just want to let you know that here at my channel I'm talking about how to make money online, quit your 9 to 5 and earn your freedom. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And without further ado, let's jump into the content. So we are over at Earnably.com, and Earnably is a platform which offers you multiple streams of income. So there are different types of jobs that you can do on this platform, and as you can see, it looks quite simple. If you scroll down, you can see that actually they pay you for completing offers. How it works, it usually takes you a few minutes to collect a couple of points. For example, 4 minutes, 30 points. 30 points is pretty much 30 cents. 100 points equals $1. For example, 5 minutes for 202 points, which means 5 minutes job for $2. To register, all you have to do is just click on sign up here or over there, and then simply enter your email, username and password, agree with their terms of service. If you're interested, go through them. I'm just, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna skip it. Then guys, you're gonna receive an email, and all you have to do is confirm an email, and then you're gonna get your login details. I'm just gonna quickly log into my account. Then I can show you full tour of the dashboard as well. And we are now inside my dashboard. As you can see, here is sort of a offer wall, and here you can see all the companies, and these 4 are actually very big companies, and then you have some less known companies down below. To start making money, you can just click and choose working with the, or you can hover over earn, and then you can go for surveys, videos, tasks and apps. Let's start with the surveys now. So if you click on a surveys, that's the most popular thing to do on this platform. You can find that at the moment they have 7 available companies with the surveys available for you, and you can literally start making money completing surveys right now, right away. I personally don't do surveys anymore. I used to do it like ages ago, but this is a great start for beginners, because guys, if you start now, make today $5, make tomorrow $5, and eventually you're gonna reach to the point of $100. When you have $100, come on my site, find a tutorial how to start a website and start doing affiliate marketing, and you'll start building something bigger. But let's go back to the content of this video. I'll make sure to leave a link down below in the description with my referral link and with an extra bonus to earn 10% more on this platform. It will obviously be useful for you as well. Another way to make money on this platform is by watching videos. I wouldn't recommend you this. I have checked these videos. It pretty much takes you about an hour to make $1. I didn't like it. Sometimes it doesn't credit the points into your account, so I wouldn't recommend watching videos, even though I heard there are some applications that can automate the process for it, but honestly, I don't think it's worth your time and effort. Next option is completing a simple tasks. There are not many tasks available to do, but if you go for potential jobs and if you click on one of them, you will have to register yourself for Figure 8. If you do so, you might get an opportunity to get qualified for this transcribed data jobs, which actually pay 7 points. 7 points is pretty much 7 cents, and I think those jobs are probably a minute or 2. Anyway, I don't think it's a big deal yet on this platform, but it might grow into something bigger. Next money-making opportunity is actually the best one on this platform is applications. When you first time click on applications, you'll have to update your devices. So you won't see these offers here. You'll have to click update your devices and then select devices you have. I have iPhone, iPad and Android. I just put it on for purposes of this tutorial, and then click save devices, and now you can check which category you want: most popular, applications, free or new. You can go by recommended jobs, easiest jobs, low payment to high, or high to low. So obviously you're gonna go high to low, and as you can see, there are some jobs that actually gonna pay you $10 because 960 points equals, let me just check one more time. If you go and redeem, you can see $10, 1,000 points, which means this pays you $9.60. And that's actually amazing money-making opportunity. And it's a game for iPhone, and what it says, install a game. You need to get the power level 100. That's probably something which is hard. I don't like the games that you have to play, but there are also some games which you just have to leave open. So let's scroll a little bit down. World War Rising, 720 points. Install and reach power 50 within game. Again, you have to play quite a bit to reach these levels. They know why they're offering quite $7 for a game. Look, even Fiverr. If you install a Fiverr, you get 432 points on iPad and iPhone, and you can install it on multiple devices and get points multiple times. You can register 3 devices, as we said, $3, and so on and so on. There is so many different games. Some of them are just installation and then you have to leave it a couple of minutes on. Some of them you have to pay till lower levels. They usually pay $50. So these games like $50, they're usually gonna take you maybe 5 minutes to reach the goal. Some other games you need a little bit more, but that's definitely one of the easiest way to make money on this platform. I've checked some reviews and games are pretty much updated on a weekly base, so you should probably have enough jobs to keep you busy over the weekend. And now we're getting to the best part and best money making opportunity on this platform is actually inviting people. Click on invite, you'll see that they have an affiliate program which says invite a friend to Earnably. So what you get here, you get this Earnably link which includes your username. You can copy it and then you can share it on Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook. You can even I will put my link down below in the description of this video, which you can then use. I'll also put a special code which gives you 10% more. I will really appreciate if you use that code to register for Earnably. If you have any following on any platform, so there'll be always someone who's gonna benefit from your link because you're gonna give them an opportunity to earn 10% more completing the tasks, and you're gonna earn 10% from all the tasks they complete. If you go over to redeem, you can actually see that they offer you to redeem automatically. And that's actually the best thing here, because look this, auto redeem, it will take you only 1% fee to automatically redeem and send payments directly to your PayPal. You can also redeem your points into Visa credit cards. It looks very simple. If you want to do so, just click auto redeem and it will ask you to set up your PayPal account. So first go to account settings and then enter your PayPal details. Make sure it's correct. Save the changes. Little disclaimer, be patient because they announced that it usually takes a couple of days to complete your transaction. So it's usually less than 3 days, but you know, it could take up to 3 days. So don't stress if your payment is slightly late. With that being said, I just want to let you know that we got to the end of this video. I'm very thankful for having you guys again here on my channel. Thanks for watching. And before I knock off, I just want to let you know again, here at my channel, I'm gonna post more videos about how to make money online. I'm also gonna post about YouTube. I had quite a big success with my other YouTube channel, so I think I have some right to speak about it and maybe help someone else as well. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to support this video. Comment below, smash the like. If you don't like it, dislike, because it helps this algorithm as well and it will help reach more people. With that being said, I'm done. I'll make sure to leave a couple of good links here on the right hand side for you guys. So keep watching and I'll see you again. Cheers, have a good day.